Ready? Tell me, what is this? Yeah, good job. A spoon. What is this? Good. What is this? Fork, right. How about bowl? Good. What about this? A plate, right. And what do you do with a knife? Cut. Very good. And what am I doing right now? Mix. Good. And what are you eating? What are you eating right now? What is this? Soup, yes. But what's in there? Blueberries. And what's in there? Soup. And what color is this bowl? What color is that? Blue. What color is this bowl? Red. Very good. Okay, let's try a hard one. It's a hard one. What color is this bowl? Do you remember? What color is this? Do you remember? You remember? What color is this? Purple? Very good. Purple. Yeah, we're not going to put your real food in the bowl, though. That's silly. Very good. Bye. Can you say bye-bye?
Bye-bye.